In this midweek short episode, we get a new toy to play with. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and I'm here to bring you a midweek video. Hopefully if you like this sort of video where it's going to be short, snappy reviews, press that like button, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, let me know what you think. So this is something I've been struggling with for some time, ever since I've been building bikes basically. I've not had an ideal jack. I've always used car jacks and blocks of wood, and as you know, that's not ideal. So today I've actually bit the bullet and I've bought myself a jack. Now, this isn't any ordinary jack, and this is the whole point of this video. This jack I've not actually seen out there. I don't see anyone using them, and to be honest, I don't understand why, because it's pretty damn genius. So let me just show you what I've bought. So let me tell you about this bizarre looking jack. It's a 2-ton combination trolley jack, meaning it's for both motorcycle and car. Simple as that. So if you're like me and like working on bikes and cars, this jack's for you. This jack has it all, trust me. With a minimum height of 160mm, it's ideal for those low bikes or cars. And it can be elevated to a maximum height of 445mm. That's pretty high. Ideal for when you want to work on the bike. It has wheels that you can lock off so you can stop it from moving around. Being a 2-ton jack, you don't have to worry about the weight of your bike. With heavy duty lifting plates, you don't have to worry about your bike slipping off or tipping over. And one of the best things about this jack is the heavy duty locking pin, so you don't have to worry about the jack creeping down or making your bike fall off. It's got a really good solid foundation, so it feels like it's not going anywhere. So you can see how easily this becomes an ideal jack. Not only does it jack it up, it actually locks off as well. And that to me is a big thing, so I don't have to worry about the jack leaking and the bike dropping overnight or anything like that. I can just put it on that peg and it's going to stay there 100% without a doubt. And if you're still not convinced, you can also ratchet strap it to hold it all in place to make sure nothing moves whatsoever. This is a really genius jack for both motorcycles and cars because it's low profile, works with the bike, what's not to like, and even better, it's less than £100. That's right, this jack here, less than £100, delivered to your door. I've left a link down below to one of these jacks if you want to check it out and even go and purchase one for yourself. It's an affiliate link, so I will get a little kickback from that, and that's just a way of you supporting this channel. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this jack more for both bike and cars. For the price point, these are ideal between the high-end cost of buying an actual motorcycle ramp full stop, that's about £300 plus, down to the little 30 quid cheap ones that you can buy that's just like a little scissor screw. This is a good in-between if you're strapped for cash, but at the same time want a quality product. So this is the whole point of this video. Hopefully you can benefit from this. Let me know down below if this is something you're interested in. But anyway guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you can take something away from it. As always, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.